To extract unique departmental names, use formula called unique. Go to source data and enter and sort it. And also make it all uppercase. And create a drop-down list. Data validation, list, source, our other step is to filter employee by department. So use filter. As we want the employee number, so select employee ID column, and we want to filter by department, so select department and equal to finance. You can see it has brought the employee numbers from finance department. It will change it and it will bring the employee number from IT department. See you in the next video. Thank you. We need to use a nested lookup to get the other employee details. Go to source data, get employee IDs and make it absolute, comma, another S lookup. Select first name, comma, go to employee source data, select the headings, make it absolute, and finally select the whole table and make it absolute and close it with the double brackets. Then track the formula. Calculate total salary. Format the salary. Apply the same format here. Hold this one and center this across. Format cells, alignment. To format the report, go to Sales Style, select title, select the second title, again Sales Style, heading 2, select this amount and color it. SN1, select this range, go to more borders, select the color and put the border around, and again Sales Style, accent, select it and then apply the format. This is a final report. You can test it by changing the department name. and also you want, you can hide that as well. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.